So I made an ice cream cake with a brownie layer, and first step is planning out the layers you want and gathering the supplies. I ended up doing 2 different ice creams. I also ended up only doing 1 brownie layer instead of 2. But cover your spring form container or any container with wrap. Place your ice cream and smooth it out. To add some texture, put some crumbled cookies, and I did another layer of ice cream. I did PB and also cookie dough. Put it in the freezer and let that sit there probably about a day, and get some whipped cream to bind the 2 pieces, the brownies and the cake, and then cover the whole thing with whipped cream, and we could smooth it out later after placing in the freezer. Here's where I messed up. I was just in too deep with using the blue and I messed up, sorry. Added some cake toppers, and that's the inside.